Hey guys, so this is a quick review and first impressions of the Zhiyun Weebill Lab gimbal. I bought this from Amazon from a seller called camo-tech. Make sure to check them out. I'll put the link in the description below. So as you can see, it comes in a styrofoam case, which is very light, holds everything in place. Let's start off with a quick release plate, which comes in two pieces. One is Swiss compatible and put together. It's a Manfrotto quick release plate, a tripod with comfortable rubber grip, a riser if you have bigger lens setup, two batteries with 10 hours of usage, and it comes with a pouch for all your cables, for your USB Type-C cables and micro USB. Also, it comes with extra screws. For the build quality of the gimbal, it's made out of metal and plastic, which makes it sturdy and light. Buttons are located on the side of the gimbal. You can see the pan follow focus and the lock mode. The go button is for following faster subjects or making faster movements with the gimbal. And lastly, the on and off button. The follow mode trigger is located at the front of the gimbal, which I think is a very nice addition because it's an easier access for the user. On the side, you can see the follow focus wheel, but unfortunately I do not have the follow focus servo to test it. On the next side of the gimbal, you can see the OLED screen, which shows the menus and modes you're on. The POV button, which if you double tap, you'll go to vortex mode, a new feature for the Weebill Lab. The record button, the pan and tilt buttons, and buttons for navigating your menus. For the Weebill Lab, you can now lock all of the axes for easier balance and easier storage. Because of its smaller footprint and its ability to lock its axes, it's easier for me to store it in my 20-liter Peak Design backpack. I do apologize that I can't show how to balance the camera because I only have the one. This gimbal can hold up to 3 kilograms, but I suggest checking with Zhiyun first because of the small framing. You can't really fit all your setups even though it's under 3 kilograms. For its performance, I compared it with the Zhiyun Crane 2, which is a way bigger gimbal with bigger motors. And I'm actually quite impressed because even though it has a smaller motor and smaller framing, it still provided me with smooth shots. Although there are occasional jitters, which I'm not really sure what causes it. Hopefully it's something that a firmware update could fix. But for my purposes, I don't really do a lot of complex shots or quick movements. I like to do smooth, reveal, and follow shots, anything that is slow and cinematic. For my purposes and the fact that it's lightweight and easy to travel with, I would say that this gimbal is a good buy for me. Here are more sample clips shot on an A7III with a 16-35 f4 lens.